welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can save a Pinterest image to your PC or your phone, but I'm just going to show you on the desktop version, like on the PC version. To do that, I think it's pretty similar. For instance, you want to save, like download this image. You're just going to press these three dots and just press download image. And you can even, like, for instance, you've already clicked on the image like this one, just press again these three dots and press download image. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!